Coastal crisis, pharmaceuticals and debris pollute South African shores. In an alarming turn of events, the South African coast from East London to the Garden Route has been littered with pharmaceuticals and consumer goods due to a series of shipping container losses at sea. The incident, which has been developing since early September, sparked concern for public health and environmental safety, prompting urgent calls for intervention. The Buffalo City Municipality, BCM, and the Garden Route District's Municipality, GRDM, issued warnings to the public not to collect or consume any pharmaceutical products found on the beaches after medicines began surfacing along the coastline. The South African Maritime Safety Authority, SAMSA, reports a significant spillage near Port St. John's, Port Alfred, Kenton, Cannon Rocks, and Boknes, among other locations. Spokesperson Tebogo Ramatji linked the maritime incident to several vessels, including MV Benjamin Franklin and MV CMA CGM Bellum, highlighting the widespread impact on the East Coast. BCM's temporary drop-off point at Kaiser's Beach is a direct measure to combat the crisis, hoping to recover products that may have been collected by individuals in the proximity. The South African Police Services have been mobilized to patrol the beaches and assist with cleanup campaigns. The BCM, actively engaging in damage control, has made multiple points of contact available to the public for reporting products and ensuring community safety. These initiatives reflect a concerted effort to safeguard beachgoers and limit the environmental fallout. Mayor Andrew Strobel of the GRDM shed light on the situation, revealing that the shipping company involved had appointed SpillTech to handle the collection and disposal of these hazardous materials. The disclosure that some containers might contain substances dangerous to the ecosystem and public health has raised serious concerns and prompted calls for accountability. Considering the severity of the weather warnings that had been issued prior to the incident and the clear advisability for ships to remain docked, the contravening decision made by these companies to sail has been met with public outrage. Advocacy for stringent legal action is growing as the full extent of the environmental damage to the coastline and protected marine life becomes apparent. Thank you for choosing Satori News.